many days left to eat your cream eggs.
Do it in your trunks, ducks. Never mind the bobby, nobby.
Stick it in your fly trap, old chap. But don't be too slow, Picasso.
Get 'em in quick, Dick.
There's not many days left to eat your Cadbury's cream eggs.
By Easter they're gone, John.
This is an important announcement from the IBA. Please listen carefully. Due to our sun exploding in a supernova, all IBA channels will be closing down for the final time, including Thames Television, London Weekend Television, Central Television, TSW, TVS, HTV, Granada Television, Yorkshire Television, Tyne Tees Television, Ulster Television, Grampian Television, Channel Television and Anglia. On behalf of us here at Scottish, for the final time, this is Scottish Television. We will now be shutting down for the final time, and we thank you for your viewership over the years. Good night and goodbye.